Hello everyone, this is next part of our chapter Web Techniques. In this part we will see session. What is meant by sessions? We know that word sessions means you are attending online sessions or particular subject session or particular activity sessions. Then what is meant by actually the session? A session can be defined as a series of related interaction. Okay, series of related interaction between a single client and the web server. This is a technical term. So here we are taking the series of related interaction between a single client, means the single client, one client, and the web server, which take place over a period of time. So this is known as a session, and this session allows you to store data in the web server that associated with a session ID. So by using the session ID, you can store the data on the server. Once you create a session, PHP send a cookie that contain the session ID to the web browser. When you are creating session, at that time automatically it will send the cookies. Okay, it will sends a cookie that contains the session ID to the web browser. So web browser using it. In the subsequent request, the web browser sends the session ID. Okay, so web browser sends the session ID cookie back to the web server so that the PHP can retrieve the data based on the session ID and make the data available in your script. Okay, so here is a continuous interaction between this. Then session provides a way to preserve the certain data across subsequent access. Okay, so see, here is a procedure is first web browser. So, okay, by using the any method, it is sending the some data to the web server. So web server is creating the it's setting the cookie and sending the session ID to the browser. Then web browser again sending this session ID to the web server. Okay, and after that you will get the some response. Okay, or you will get the response from the web server by searching the data into the database. So here in the focus web server, web browser and the database. So by with the help of database you will get your particular information. See, when you work with an application, you open it, do some changes, and then you close it. Means you have opened the Microsoft Word, you have written something, and you have closed. So this is a much like a session. But here is a problem. When you are using the application, the system know who are you, what you are doing, and you are saying the content. But in case of HTTP not maintaining the state, so here is a problem. Okay, the computer knows who are you when you are using the application. Okay, it knows when you start the application and when you end, but on the internet there is a one problem. The web server does not know who are you, what you do, because the HTTP address doesn't maintaining the state. Okay, so how to solve this problem? You can solve this problem by using the session variables. Okay, by using the session ID. By default, session variable lasts until the user closes the browser. So session variable hold the information about the one single user and are available to all pages in one application. So how to start a PHP session? So use the a session is started with the session underscore start function. You need to use the session underscore start function. Session variables are set with the PHP global variable $session. How to set the variable? Session variables are set with the PHP global variable $session. Here is a one example. See, PHP start the session underscore start. Then doc type HTML body, and here we are using the embedded PHP. Set a session variable. So $session favorite color equals to green, $session favorite animal equals to cat, and then echo session variables are set. Okay, echo session variables are set. If both are the set, then it will display the result. So just click on a run example and you can check the here result. Session variables are set. So see, note the session start function must be the very first thing in your document before any HTML tag. So now next we will see get PHP session variable values. How to get the session variable values? Okay, so we create one more page and we will see here. See, by using the session start, you have started your page. And how to access now the value? Okay, all sessions variable values are stored in the global $session variable. So here first use the PHP session underscore start, give the call to the function session start. Then after this in a PHP echo session variables that were set on previous page. So here you will get the information of favorite color is $session favorite color, echo favorite animal is $session favorite animal. So here you will get the particular output. So just click on an example. So here you will get the output. But see here favorite color, favorite animal. Okay, here is here it's not showing the any output. So how to check it, how to do this? So just again click on run. So you will get here array. So from where this array will get? See here you are using the session start, and in that, so session is started at this point. So you are writing the program HTML body, then printer $session. What is the content of $session? It is a array. So it will give you answer array. Modify a PHP session variable. How to modify the variable? It's very simple. How to set cookies value and how to modify the cookies value? At that time also you use the same function. Now check here. Here you can use the same function, same dollar session, and you can just change the value of that variable. So you can easily do it. Then destroy a PHP session. How to destroy the PHP session? To remove all global session variables and destroy the session, you can use the function session unset. You can use the function session unset, or you can use the function session destroy. So PHP here session is started with the session start function. Then your code, that is doc type HTML, HTML body and all. So here remove all session variables, session underscore unset. Okay, session unset, remove all the session variable, or you can use the function and destroy session. First, to remove all the global session variables and destroy the session, use the session unset. Unset means the first remove all global session variable and then the destroy. So after that you need to use the destroy. You need these two functions. You can complete the exercise given on this about topic here. Just write the answer here and submit answer, so you will get it's correct or not. So in this session we learn about the session, what is actually the session, how this web browser sending the message to the web server, and this web server is sending the session ID to the web browser. Then again it is sending the cookies to the web server, and web server sending the successful message. So this is a procedure for the sessions, and PHP session is used to store and pass the information from one page to another temporarily until the user close the website. So this is about the sessions in PHP. You can try the different example. You can run the different example on your desktop laptop, or you can use the simple online compiler, and you can run all the program on online compiler, that is GDB online compiler for all the languages. Thank you.